Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. If you are new, welcome. In today's video, I am going to cook super easy Filipino recipe that I've learned to make growing up with my sisters in the Philippines. This is a favorite in my house and my favorite food growing up as well. I'm a busy full-time working mommy and I'm always rushing and running around the house to do house chores after a long busy day of work. I don't always have time on my hands to cook every single night, so I always make sure that I cook for at least 2 days or I have easy and quick meal to make when I get home that will not take all the time left on my hands. If you are new here to my channel, hello and welcome. My name is Sel. I'm a wife and a full-time working mommy of one. I hope you stick around and subscribe to my channel for tons of cleaning motivations, lots of home organizations, cooking, and grocery hauls. I would love to have you be a part of my YouTube family. If you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much for coming back and tuning in. You are the best. So my kitchen is already kind of messy before I start working here, so I'm just gonna tidy up and clean up a little before I start working because I can never work when the area is dirty. Always, I have to clean up first before I start cooking because I'll go crazy. So for this recipe, I'm gonna cook some hard-boiled eggs and I'm gonna cook extra because my son loves hard-boiled eggs. He eats it for breakfast, even for snacks sometimes, so I always make sure I have them in the fridge ready to go. I'm gonna share you a little tip on how to cook hard-boiled eggs perfectly. So the first one is make sure all your eggs are under the water and then turn on your stove to medium-high. Bring the water to boil, and once it starts boiling, turn it down to medium and then leave it there for another 5 to 8 minutes and then drain it. And then when you peel it under the cold water. And guys, I always cook my eggs like this every single time, and every single time I don't have a hard time peeling. I know a lot of people has that experience and I never have that problem ever. Here's the ingredient for my recipe. I have ground pork right here, roasted potatoes, and then I have 1 red onion. And then I have my pot ready. So I put it on low so that I can have time to cut my red onions and potatoes. I'm gonna saute the ground pork with onions and minced garlic after I wash it. Even when my teardrops start to dry. This recipe is super easy, guys. If I haven't said that already, I make this in my house like once or twice a month, and my husband and my son love this.
I won't build my life on empty words. Being so damn naive, it only hurts. I'm so tired of love songs, life never turns out the way they do. I've been trying for so long, looking for someone who wants me to. I've heard every cliche there is, and none of them make sense. I'm so tired of love songs. I'm sick and tired of love songs. I'm so tired of you. Looking back on how I used to be, I always thought that love was made for me. Oh well, I was just as blue-eyed as the sky could ever be. Loving you has made me realize I'm so tired of love songs, life never turns out the way they do. I've been trying for so long, looking for someone who wants me to. I've heard every cliche there is, and none of them make sense. I'm so tired of.
So before the pork completely cooked, I added the potatoes because it needs some time to cook. And for my seasonings, I added the magic syrup. It's a Filipino seasoning. If you are Filipino, you would totally know what this is. And then I added salt, black pepper, and paprika, which pretty much is just for coloring. And honestly guys, I don't measure anything. I just eyeball everything and I will bring this to boil. Once the ground pork is cooked, I will try it, see if it needs any additional seasoning like black pepper or salt. And then here you'll see me peeling my eggs, and it's pretty much done. And see how easy this is to peel, guys. Every time, this is how I cook my hard-boiled eggs, and I always make sure I have hard-boiled eggs in my fridge because, like I said, my son likes hard-boiled eggs. He eats this for snack or breakfast, which is really good because it's healthy. So this takes me under 30 minutes to cook, guys. Like I said, it's super easy and it's delicious. So now my pork is cooked. I added hard-boiled eggs and I tasted it, and I think it needs a little bit more salt. So I added some salt, and then I'm just gonna stir this and taste it again, and this time it was perfect. So I'm gonna leave this in the stove for another 5 minutes, just so the hard-boiled eggs would get all the taste from the ground pork, and then I'll turn it off and it's time to eat. So while I'm waiting for that 5 minutes, I wanted to clean up the counter so I don't have to do this later. I do this every time when I'm cooking. I clean up right after I'm done because I don't like to clean a lot unless I'm super tired and I'm feeling lazy. But today, this is what I do, and it's so much better, guys. I know every once in a while I fall out of it. I don't do it every time. I'm human, I'm not perfect, but today this is what I do, and it's different every night, I guess. I have some white rice that I cooked from last night, and I have a lot of leftovers, so that's what we're gonna eat with this recipe. I'm in the mood for hot cocoa, so I'm just gonna warm up my milk in the microwave, and then I will plate the dinner because it's ready.
With another, talking to strangers and make out spontaneously. Oh, I'm so tired of hearing all your stories about your rich friends traveling Mercedes. You're such a nice guy when you're not just talking about yourself and the way of how you dwell. Don't you get it? You're such a nice guy when you're not just talking about yourself and the way of how you dwell. I get it.
After dinner, I'm gonna speed clean my kitchen, load all the dirty dishes in the dishwasher, and quickly vacuum my floor.
You're such a nice guy when you're not just talking about yourself and the way of how you dwell. I get it. Don't you get it? Now I'm so tired of hearing all your stories about your rich friends traveling Mercedes. You're such a nice guy when you're not just talking about yourself and the way of how you dwell. I get it. Don't you get it? No. Don't wanna wake up, I might be dreaming. I might be dreaming. You're stirring things up, my heart is beating. My heart is beating. I won't let go, I can't say no. My heart is yours, so I say here we go. You do that something to me, you do that something to my heart. I give up, you won't stop, I'm like a spinning top. You do that something to me, you do that something to my heart. I give up, you won't stop, and I keep spinning. You see right through me, do that to me, so let's do this, baby. You do that something to me, you do that something to my heart. I It ain't my style. You see right through me. I don't wanna hide. No, I don't wanna hide. I won't let go. I can't say no. My heart is yours, so I say here we go. You do that something to me. You do that something to my heart. I give up. You won't stop. I'm like a speed.
So this is pretty much my working mom nighttime routine, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video and find it motivating and helpful. I hope I inspire you whether it's cleaning or cooking. And if I did, don't forget to give me a thumbs up, comment down below, and share this to a friend to inspire them as well. If you haven't already, don't forget to subscribe and turn the notification bell on so you wouldn't miss any more of my future uploads. Thank you all so much for watching. I truly appreciate your time, and I will talk to you all again on my next video. Bye!